Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by turning a normal clip into a live photo so photos can loop it. Open Shortcuts, create or install a simple video to live photo action that accepts the selected video and uses Make Live Photo. Once set, run the shortcut on the clip in your camera roll and save the resulting live photo back to Photos. Do this first because Photos only applies looping effects to live photos, not plain movie files. With the live photo saved, open Photos and find that item in Recents. Tap it to open the viewer, then swipe up or tap the live badge to reveal effects. Select Loop from the effect list. Photos will immediately create a seamless repeating playback. Make sure to preview it by tapping and holding. You're looking for smooth restart behavior. Once done, the live photo will loop automatically in Photos, both in the moment's view and when you tap it individually. Finish by deciding how you'll share the loop. To export as a GIF or repeated video, run a secondary shortcut like Live Photo to GIF or create video from Live Photo, then export. Verify the loop inside Photos, tap and hold to confirm continuous play. If you don't see loop as an option, make sure the file is actually a live photo, update iOS, and relaunch Photos. Often a quick restart or reinstall of shortcuts fixes missing conversions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.